Okay, this is my 1971 Honda CT90 that's been completely gone through, frame taken off, everything, motor, top end's been rebuilt, new clutch, gaskets, new points, plugs of course, everything's been set. The valves and everything, you can see it's all been repainted. Everything works on it. Turn the key on. Got the horn. The lights work too. Crank it up and go from there. Turn the key on. The gas is already on. Crank up, work kick. Got this support. New valve job, everything, all that. Turn the lights on. Headlamps work. Very much. Talk to you later. Bye. See you on eBay soon.